In this video I will show you that how can you set up the layout of your page and the paragraph. So first I will have to click on the layout. As I click on the layout, there are so many options, that the page setup, which I section, and the paragraph setting and the arrange setting. So now I will start from the page setup. So first in the page setup, there is the first option is the margin. So from here I will have to select the margin for my page of different sizes. So I will have to select the one. So first I will have to select the narrow one. So as I click on the narrow border or margin, so the margin of my writing or my page become narrowed. Now I want to select a wide margin. So as I click on the wide, the margin become wide. Here is the third option that you can another option that you can also select the custom margin. So from here you will have to select the custom margin, that I will have to select the 6 centimeter top margin. So as I click on the OK, the margin will become 10 centimeter. Here the margin become 10 centimeter. Now I want to select or to set up the orientation of my page. As I want to select the landscape orientation. So as I click on the landscape, the orientation become the landscape. Now if I want to rechange the orientation from landscape to portrait, so you can simply click on the portrait, the orientation become portrait. Now the size of your page, that you can hear there are different sizes of your page: A4 size, legal size, letter size. So for academic writing, generally A4 size is preferred. So I want to select the A4 size, the page become of A4 size. Now I want to select the 2 column setup for my page. So as I will have to select first the writing that I want in 2 columns. So I will have to select the writing in the first page in 2 columns. So I have selected it and then goes to column. So when I here click on the 2, the writing here become in 2 columns. Now if I want it in 3 columns, so I will simply click on the 3 column option. The writing will become in 3 columns. Now if I want to the default setting are single or 1 column setup, so I simply click on the 1 column. The writing will become in a single column. Now I want to insert a page break. So I will have simply to select the position where I want to put the page break. As I have selected before nanotechnology, the cursor. So when I click on the page break, so the page will simply break into, or the writing goes to the second page, and the page is break from here.